Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Tech 360. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video I'm gonna show you the solution if you can't type on the search bar of your Windows 10. So for that, at first just type Windows plus R, and here you can see C/Windows/System2. Just type it and click on OK. Now after typing that, just put another command Ctrl plus F, and here you can see ctf. Just click on ctf, and after clicking it, here you can see ctfmon. Just right click on it, go to send to, and just click on desktop, create shortcut. Now again just click on Windows plus R. Now in this command box you need to just copy it, shell common startup. Just copy it and paste it and click on OK. Now after that, in here you need to just copy the ctf create shortcut here. Just ctfmon shortcut, paste it here and click on continue, and after that your search bar will work. So guys, that's how you can solve the problem. Hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech 360. Thank you so much for watching this video.